What is computer vision in robotics? Computer vision is the technology that gives robots the ability to see and interpret the world around them. In essence, it's the eyes and brain of a robot, allowing it not only to capture images but also to process them to make intelligent decisions about its environment. It's not just about seeing a picture, it's about understanding it. A robot with computer vision can identify objects, recognize faces, measure distances, detect movements, and navigate a space. To achieve this, it uses cameras, depth sensors, or LiDAR systems, and then applies complex algorithms and artificial intelligence to analyze the visual data. This way, the robot can know if an object is an obstacle to avoid, a tool to pick up, or a person to interact with. Computer vision is fundamental in a wide range of applications. Industrial robots use it to inspect products on an assembly line for defects. Autonomous vehicles use it to recognize traffic lights and pedestrians. And in the domestic sphere, robot vacuums use it to map your house and avoid bumping into furniture. In short, computer vision is the key piece that allows robots to move, interact, and work autonomously with a precision and safety that were once unthinkable. It is the technology that turns a machine into a truly intelligent agent.